Right, a little bit of health and safety. Whenever you're jacking a cab, always make sure it goes over its tilting point, because you don't want to be getting under a half tilted cab and the ram gives out, comes down and you're dead. So that's that out of the way anyway. Make sure you're safe with these things. Right, that's our power steering pump right there. So the first thing I'm going to do, check the fluid, make sure fluid level's all right. Fluid level's all right, then I'm going to say chances are it's the pump that's packed up. As you can see, fluid level's perfect. Right, there's a new pump. Looks the same as the old one. So let's get on with it. Right, we use a 36mm.